Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Mary Kabir and today I am here to discuss about AI in everyday life with call Annie. Hey Annie, how are you? So today we are here to discuss about AI in everyday life with you. Are you interested to discuss these things with me? So today we are here to do a short question and answer, and we want to know what you think about AI, and it's related some question with AI, and you have to answer my question. So can we start our question and answer session? Okay, so my first question from you that what does AI in education really mean in simple terms, and what do you think about it? Yes, I am agree with you, and you were absolutely right that today AI in education really that is a term of life that can change students' thought process and the thought of education for from themselves. So my next question is how is AI currently being used in classrooms around the world? Yes, I think AI is transforming classrooms around the world is many powerful and practical ways. Here is how it currently being used, and I have a short uh, point that I want to show everything. That first one is personalized our learning. AI platforms like Squirrel AI in China and Content Technology in USA tailor lessons to individual students' paces, strengths, and weakness. These tools adapt in real time, providing customized exercise and feedback to boost understanding. And I am quickly overview some more points like tutoring and homework help, automated grading, language learning, classroom management, and teacher assistance, special educational support, and virtual and augmented reality. And that's my point of view for this topic. So my next question is about like can AI personalized learning for students with different needs and learning speeds? What do you think about it? Yes, AI can absolutely personalized learning for students with different needs and learning speeds. Here is how. First one is customized learning paths. AI can assess each student's strengths, weakness, Yes, of course, it's customized learning paths and real-time feedback, adapting assessments, support for special needs, data-driven insight for teachers. In short, AI transforms one-size-fits-all education into a flexible, student-centered approach, making learning more effective and inclusive. So let's moving into our next question, and my next question is how can AI help teachers to understand the students' strengths and weakness better? AI can help teachers understand students' strengths and weaknesses better in several powerful ways, like data-driven insight, personalized feedback, learning style analysis, predictive analysis, progress tracking. In short, AI acts like a smart assistant, giving teachers a deeper, clearer, and more timely understanding of each student's learning journey. And that's an overview from my side, and let's moving into our next question, that do AI tools reduce or increase screen time for students? Yes, I think AI tools can both reduce and increase screen time for students depending on how they are designed and used. Here is a balanced breakdown, like when AI tools reduce screen time, I quickly want to note down some points, like personalized learning paths help students complete tasks more effectively so that they spend less time figuring the thing out. And second was is automated feedback allows students to learn from mistake quickly without waiting for teachers' input. My third point is voice assistance or conversational AI can allow learning through audio, minimizing screen interaction. When AI tools increase screen time, many AI-based platforms are app or web-based, which naturally increase time spent in front of screens. Gamified AI learning apps can be addictive, causing students to spend more time playing than learning. So, AI tools themselves aren't good or bad for screen time. It's all about how they are integrated into education. Yes, I also think so. So we want to move in our next question, and my next question is how is AI changing the role of teachers in the classrooms? I think AI is transforming the role of teachers in the classrooms from being the sole source of information to becoming facilitators of learning. I think the most exciting part of being facilitators to is teach our students about those things which are they are not familiar, or they don't know about something, or they don't have knowledge about some particular subject or particular basis things. So I want to move into our next question, and my next question is: will AI replace teachers in the future, or just support them? What do you think, and what's your thoughts about this question? I think AI is not expected to replace teachers in the future, but it will support and transform their roles. While AI can automate routine tasks like grading, lesson planning, and personalized feedback, human teachers provide emotional intelligence, mentorship, creativity, and social connection. Things AI cannot replicate. In the future, teachers are likely to become more likely facilitators, guide, and learning coaches, using AI tools to enhance instruction, identify students and needs, and focuses more on meaningful human-centered teaching. In short, AI will support teachers, not replace them. Right.
Perspective. What do you
I want to moving into our next question, and my next question is: are educators being trained to use AI tools effectively? I think in many parts of the world, educators' training in AI is still catching up with the rapid advancement of technology. While some schools and institutions have started offering professional development programs focused on AI tools, the overall implementation is uneven. Teachers often face challenges such as lack of access to training, limited time, or insufficient technical support. However, where trainer is provided through workshops, online courses, or government initiatives, educators are becoming more confident and capable in using AI for tasks like personalized instruction, grading assistance, and student performance tracking. I think workshops are the most effective training. Like we can do course training in our, practically, not in virtually like online, or any meeting. So I think it will be better to workshop with teachers and teach them, train them with many new technology. So we are moving into our next question, and my next question is, what are the biggest challenges or risks of using AI in schools? Using AI in school brings many opportunities, but it also comes with significant challenges and risks. So here is the I want to close our Q&A question, and thank you Annie for being here. So, viewers, this is our question and answer with call any about a new topic that today AI in everyday life, in human life. So that's it for today. We will meet again with a call-in session with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed. Bye bye.